So I'm going to show you how to make a Hytale server on Windows that your friends can join even when you're not online, and it's completely free. But your computer must be online, or your computer must be on. You do not have to have Hytale open, but you must have the command prompt open. So what you're going to do is first, I'm going to have a couple links in the description and things to copy paste. And you're going to have to go to adoptium.net, and you're going to download the Windows version of Java. And you're just going to follow through that. It's very simple. And then once that's done, you're going to go type in cmd, open command prompt. Do is java -- version. And if you downloaded it right, you'll see 25 or greater there. So next, what you're going to do is we're going to name it our server, whatever you want. And then the next thing in the description is going to be the appdata. You're going to open that folder, that to the side, and we're going to our new folder. Just going to copy the server and the assets over to our new folder. So close this out. Now this is where our server is going to live. So what we're going to do now is go back to command prompt. We're going to type cd space, and then assuming you put this on the desktop, desktop slash the name of your folder, our server for me, slash server. Okay. Now we are inside the server folder, and we are going to execute the file, just like so, with the next line, the java-jar. Go. It's our first time the server is running, and we're going to do some authentication to be able to join our server. So we're going to type auth login device. You're going to left control click the link, takes us here, and then you're going to have to highlight the code where it says enter code, and then you're going to have to control shift C. If you control C, it'll kill your terminal, and then your server will stop. Not an end all be all, but it's not good. And you're going to hit continue. Approve your server. See, it'll populate, and we can now close this tab. Now good to try and join our server on localhost. It is not, our friends cannot join yet. So localhost is this, which just means you're on the same Wi-Fi as the server. And of course you're on the same machine, so of course you are. And then the port, so you're going to put :6767. Try to connect. So you can see our server works. But our friends cannot join yet. So we're going to fix that. What we're going to do now is port forward. And this is different based on what your internet provider is. And this is just my admin panel. And once you figure out how to access your admin panel for your specific provider, most of them have a port forwarding tab. And you're going to just find your computer, and you're going to open a custom port UDP on 6767, and you're just going to click add. I already did this, so this won't work for me. I'm just going to keep it as is. Close this out. Now, the one last thing you have to do is you're going to want to open PowerShell. Then you're going to want to run it as administrator. And then the last thing I have in the description, the longer one, you're going to want to paste that, the New-NetFirewallRule. And then this basically just says we're allowing the port to be opened to this computer and connected, etc. This makes it work. That's all you really need to know. And just hit enter. I already did this. I'm not going to do it. Close that out. Then when we come back to our server list, we're going to be able to direct connect. But instead of localhost, we'll be able to put our actual IP address. You can just go up to any website and say, what is my IP address? And then that's the number you would put here. Keep the :6767. I'm going to go ahead and join, and we're going to see it's going to let me in, and we're good to go. Have fun.